Take a moment and think, how many hours do you actually spend sitting each day? Be honest with yourself. It might be more than you realize, especially when you add up all those moments at your desk, in your car, or relaxing at home. If you work at a desk, commute by car or train, and unwind in the evenings on the sofa, you might be surprised by just how much of your day is spent sitting. For many of us, sitting has become the default mode of living, woven into nearly every part of our daily routine. Our modern lifestyles are more sedentary than ever before. We spend hours glued to screens, hunched over keyboards, or scrolling through our phones. This quiet habit is silently taking a toll on our health, even if we don't always notice it right away. The truth is, our bodies weren't designed to be still for such long stretches. We're built to move, stretch, and stay active throughout the day. Even small breaks to stand up or stretch can make a big difference. Movement is essential for our well-being. Our bodies thrive when we walk, stretch, or simply change positions regularly. Every step, no matter how small, helps keep us healthy and energized. Sitting for hours on end slows down our metabolism, makes it harder to control blood sugar, and increases the risk of heart disease, obesity, and even certain types of cancer. Over time, this can lead to aches, pains, and serious health problems that are often preventable. The good news? It's never too late to make a change. By breaking up long periods of sitting and adding more movement into your day, you can reclaim your health and feel better, one step at a time. The dangers of prolonged sitting are real and far-reaching. It's so significant. Some experts call it the sitting disease. When you sit for too long, your body doesn't burn calories efficiently, leading to weight gain and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. The circulatory system also suffers. Blood flow slows down, increasing the risk of blood clots and heart problems. Even your mental health can be impacted, with studies linking excessive sitting to higher rates of depression and anxiety. Here's the good news. If you spend long hours sitting at a desk or working from home, there's a simple solution that can make a real difference in your health and well-being. A recent study from Columbia University has uncovered a surprisingly effective way to counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting, which is something many of us do every day without even realizing the risks involved. Their research suggests that taking a short, brisk walk for just 5 minutes every 30 minutes can make a significant difference, not only for your physical health, but also for your mental clarity and productivity throughout the day. This easy-to-implement strategy helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping your energy stable and reducing the risk of those dangerous spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained or unfocused. Even a quick walk around your home or office can make a noticeable difference. It also helps to lower blood pressure, improves your overall mood, and can even spark creativity, making you more effective at work or in your daily tasks. Plus, these short walks reduce feelings of fatigue, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to tackle whatever comes next. So the next time you're tempted to stay seated, remember, just 5 minutes of movement can transform your day. Think of these 5-minute walks as exercise snacks sprinkled throughout your day. Quick, energizing breaks that help you reset both your body and your mind. These short bursts of movement are easy to fit in, no matter how packed your schedule is, and they can make a surprising difference in how you feel. Remember, these mini walks aren't meant to replace your regular workouts or favorite fitness routines. Instead, they're here to complement them, keeping your body active and your energy levels up, even on those days when you're glued to your desk or running from meeting to meeting. It's about finding balance and making movement a natural part of your daily routine. To help you remember, try setting a timer on your phone or smartwatch to go off every 30 minutes. When it buzzes, take it as your cue to stand up, stretch, and walk around, even if it's just for a minute or two. These reminders can help you break up long periods of sitting and keep your body feeling fresh. Look for simple ways to add movement, like taking the stairs instead of the lift. Each step you take is a step toward better health, and these small choices add up over time. Or if you can, step outside for a breath of fresh air. A quick walk outdoors can clear your mind, boost your mood, and help you return to your tasks feeling recharged and focused. Make these movement breaks a regular habit, and you'll soon notice the positive impact on your health, energy, and overall well-being. You might find yourself sleeping better, feeling less stressed, and even thinking more clearly throughout the day. The key is to be intentional. Plan your day so that movement fits in naturally, whether it's a quick stretch between calls or a brisk walk after lunch. It's not about moving more. It's about moving smarter and making every step count. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By choosing to move smart, you're investing in a healthier, happier you, one step at a time.